G'day guys and welcome back, and today we have a pretty big monster of a project. This is a Dolmar, it says 152 over here. I don't think it actually is, I think it's the one that's one smaller than that, or at least that's what I'm told. It just has the wrong cover on the side. And apparently this is the second biggest saw, or at least modern saw, that Dolmar made. So we're going to go through this thing today, try to get it running and see what it can do, what we can do with it. So as always, we'll start by yanking this air filter cover off, and we'll get some fuel down in that carby and see if it will fire. What's it like in here? That all looks fairly alright. Those fuel lines don't even look too bad. So yeah, we'll chuck some fuel down its throat and see if we can get it to fire off. Alrighty, that pretty much wraps that up on the big Dolmar up there. That thing runs really nice. It cleaned up pretty well as well, and those are an absolute powerhouse of a saw. But yeah, anyway, that pretty much wraps that thing up. It'll be going back to its owner, as well as some of the saws to come up, like the one you'll see here. This is a bit of an interesting one, but you'll see that in the next video most likely. And the two Rexes there will be going to the same place. So yeah, as you can see, there's heaps going on, heaps to be done. So as always, I'll see you guys next time.